Here at Rocky Ridge, we don't just sell RVs, we sell great experiences. To ensure you have the greatest camping experience possible, we want to make sure our customers and our employees are educated. This week, we've brought in all technicians from all 8 locations in Texas, Arkansas, and Oklahoma to spend some time at Rocky Ridge University. While they were here, they got to learn from the experts at Lippert, at Forest River, and many other vendors on how to better serve you and take care of your camper in any type of concern you may have. We're very excited to be able to offer this annual training to our technicians so they can take care of you and your camping journey. Now that camping season is here, we're prepared to take care of you and any concerns you may have with your camper. Come see us at Rocky Ridge RV.